Student, in this video I will tell you how to send a picture or any file via email. Okay, I mean many of you don't know how to send pictures or the files by using Gmail IDs. So here I will tell you how you can send. First, so you have to take the picture of the thing that you want to send. First you click a picture, then and first and foremost thing that you have to have a Gmail account. Okay, so first you create your ID, create your Gmail account by going to Google. What's this? Yes, Google, it's Play Store. By going there you can easily have your Gmail, I mean this app you can easily have there. So even if you don't know how to download it, you can directly go there by using Google and create your own Gmail account. Many of you have your own Gmail account, I know, because in the students information form you had to put there. Okay, you have to write your Gmail ID there. So I hope that many of you have your Gmail account. Okay, now you come here. Okay, so from this screen you have to find this and click on this. Okay, so this is your page where all the messages and everything it will come. So this is the first page that you will get to see. Okay, now you come here, you will see a plus sign on the bottom of the screen on your right hand side. Okay, here you click on this sign. Now the person or the email ID where you want to send your picture or file, you write that email ID. Okay, so just take an example. You see I have written this Gmail ID. So you will write the teacher's Gmail ID here, and then what you have to do, you see at the top of the page there is a word compose written, and on the right side of it, the first sign you see a clip like sign. That clip we used to attach the pages, so that clip like sign I will click on that. Okay, attach file, I will again click on that. Okay, so now this kind of screen will come. What you have to do, you have to click on just below the time, that three lines are there, that sign you have to click. Okay, then you go, you scroll, and then you go photos. Okay, your gallery will come. Okay, then you select any one. Suppose I'm going here, and from there I'm choosing any one. Okay, this photo I'm choosing. You see this photo has already come. Okay, this photo has already come here. Now everything is ready, and in the subject you can write your name, like I'm writing my name, and you can also add few extra things. I mean what this content is all about. I mean, suppose it's a maths worksheet. Okay, so I'm just writing maths. Okay, so this is how you have to prepare it. And then a simple thing you have to do, you see here the clip like sign that we clicked just a little while ago. The sign, it's like it seems like an arrow. Can you see? It seems like an arrow. The arrow is on the right hand side. Okay, so that on that sign you have to click. On that sign you have to click, and after clicking, your mail will be sent to the mentioned address. Okay, so now I have clicked it. You see here the status they will show on the bottom of the page, sent. Can you see this sent? Oh, it's gone. Now if the ID is correct, then your file will go very easily. Okay, so this is a very easy process. I hope you all can follow.